Hi, Dyslexic Genius here, Brett Hurt. My phone number is 864-236-1680, or you can email me at dyslexicgeniushurt@gmail.com. I'm back on the Diamond B reproducer that was happily frozen into the casting, and I'm going to show you a few steps in prepping. The first thing I did was I like you can use a Dremel, but I like one with a flex thingy because it's easier to handle. And I have a diamond grinding bit that's about 1/16 of an inch, and you've got to wear safety goggles. So the first thing you're going to do is to start at one end holding the reproducer and your thumb on the reproducer so that the grinder isn't tilting, it's running perpendicular to it. And I use a variable speed too, foot thing. So you're just going to go very smoothly. Don't stay in one spot too long. And after you do that, you're going to test it for fit, and we're not there yet. But it's starting to go in. Now what we're going to look at, I've cleaned this edge out. See this? And you see all the crap in here? Well, you're going to take all that crap out. Okay, and I use a screwdriver because I want to feel the top of the edge if there's any burrs or any burrs in here. So what you do is you switch bits to a round sanding disc. Because it's not just fixing the reproducer, you have to fix the carriage also with this. And this is all really light touch when you're using the tool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the sander and we're going to just hit this one little edge. See how lightly I'm using the speed? And we're just going to clean this up a little because there could have been a burr in here also that I can't feel. Now we're going to test this for flatness. So what you need is a small steel ruler. And you're going to set it on top like that. And you're going to look for gaps between the ruler and the body, but I don't see any. So it's not warped. But what I'm going to do is a slight cleanup on the bottom to get burrs and stuff. And you can do this on a granite countertop. I just happen to have a granite surface plate. You're going to take that, lay your reproducer down, hold it firmly in a circle. This is 320 sandpaper. So we got a little bit of a high side here and a little bit of a high side here, but I cleaned that up a little. I'll go back and do a little more. This is just a cleanup job on a reproducer I do. If you want to do this, but I always check for warpness because the pop metal can go in like this or bow out like this. And you don't want it looking like Homer Simpson. So now what I have to do is spend a lot of time grinding and fitting, and then the last operation will be the edge, and you're going to need a belt sander for that. Preferably a 1-inch belt sander, and if my angel walks over here, I won't turn the machine on, but I'll show you. You're going to have to gently take the belt sander and light touch while it's moving, and you're going to have to go around the edge smoothly like that once, and you got to watch out for the corner so you don't damage your reproducer. And that's cleaning this out because this piece swells and so does this lip swell. So you're going to have to work on both pieces. You can use a small file if you don't have a belt sander. Take you a little bit of time. You know, this is a lot of fun, and that's my tip for the day.